welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, I am so excited to announce this is a daily devotional. I have not put out a daily devotional in almost 3 weeks, which is it's kind of terrible, but at the same time, we have been moving into our new house, getting things ready. Like we had finished some last minute painting and some just last minute stuff that had to be done to the house before we could actually move in. And then of course, packing up the cabin, moving all our stuff in, getting all our furniture delivered. It was just a lot. I had a lot going on this last couple of weeks. It makes no excuses, but I did have a lot going on. Anyways, we're fixing to get right back into doing those daily devotionals because I think they are so important. I know they're important to me, and I think they are to a lot of you. And I thank you all so much that have stuck with me, and I just thank you for your patience and your just love and support. I mean, it makes a big difference. It makes me want to get on here and do these daily devotionals. Like the entire time that I've been out from them, not doing them, I have definitely been convicted, and it's been on my mind a lot. Like I need to get back into these devotionals. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. So today's episode is number 169 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is hands down fantastic. It is such a great devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, guys, number 169. Learn to laugh at yourself more freely. Don't take yourself or your circumstances so seriously. Relax and know that I am God with you. When you desire my will above all else, life becomes much less threatening. Stop trying to monitor my responsibilities, things that are beyond your control. Find freedom by accepting the boundaries of your domain. Laughter lightens your load and lifts your heart into heavenly places. Your laughter rise to heaven and blends with angelic melodies of praise. Just as parents delight in the laughter of their children, so I delight in hearing my children laugh. I rejoice when you trust me enough to enjoy your life lightheartedly. Do not miss the joy of my presence by carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Rather, take my yoke upon you and learn from me. My yoke is comfortable and pleasant. My burden is light and easily borne. So good. Learn to laugh at yourself more freely. Do not take yourself or your circumstances so seriously. When you desire my will above all else, life becomes much less threatening. Do you understand that? When you accept God's will for your life and you stop fighting it and you stop trying to make things the way that you want them to be, life becomes less threatening. There aren't as many obstacles. There are not as many disappointments. There are not as many heartaches because you have accepted God's will for your life, whatever that means, whatever that looks like. And I'm not saying it'll be easy, but with God with you, you can absolutely have a wonderful, joyful life. Sorry. Of course, we have to have a dog. And she wants to be right in the middle of the pillows. Every time I make the bed, she's got to get literally in the middle of the bed in the pillows. I don't understand it, but whatever. Anyways, what I'm saying is, when you accept that God's will is best for you, and you accept that there may be heartaches and troubles and trials and tribulations, but you know and you trust with every fiber of your being that God is going to take care of you, you will find joy. Your life will be less threatening. I hope that makes sense. Okay, let's do the verses. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Proverbs 17:22. I love this second verse. Matter of fact, I want this either on a sign, or maybe I could cut it out on my Cricut and just put it on the wall. I don't know, but I want this somewhere in my house. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. So powerful. Proverbs 31:25. Let me read you that one more time. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. The virgin will be with child and will give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God with us. Matthew 1:23. If you've ever wondered if God was with you, stop wondering, because I can tell you right now he is. His name means God with you. He's with us all the time, no matter what circumstances. It doesn't matter. Even if you don't want him there, God is with you. I promise you that. Okay, let's do the last one. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. For I am gentle, meek, and humble, lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is wholesome, useful, good, not harsh, hard, sharp, or pressing, but comfortable, gracious, and pleasant. And my burden is light and easy to be borne. Matthew 11:29 and 30, and that verse is from the Amplified Version. So it's got a couple extra words in there, but still pretty close to the same. Very, very good. Don't miss the joy of my presence by carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Rather, take my yoke upon you and learn from me. My yoke is comfortable and pleasant. My burden is light and easily borne. So, so good. Don't take yourself so seriously. What happens on this side of heaven, it really means nothing. Our goal is heaven. So, so good. All right, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so, so much for being with me today. Truly, thank you. And like I said, thank you to each and everybody that has been patient with me and just understanding of my situation. And I promise you, we're going to get back into these devotionals. All right. Thank you all. And y'all have a blessed day.